Hey everyone, so let's just take a look at this app which is called Alta Daily. So this is new AI stylist app which is going quite high in the charts. So yeah, pretty cool that what you can do, your personal AI stylist. Alta is a personal AI stylist, elevates your style and generates personalized outfits based on your closet, lifestyle, budget, and weather. For any day or special event, most people wear less than 20% of their clothes regularly. And everyday clothing decisions impact your mood and how you present yourself in all aspects of life. Get daily outfit suggestions based on the weather and your schedule. Generate outfits for any event. Add your closet by forwarding email receipts. Adding from Alta database, taking a photo and having Alta find the original photo. Advanced AI technology. Data on your style. Tell Alta where you're traveling, the activities you have planned, and your luggage size, and Alta will generate a packing list and travel lookbook for you. Don't worry if you're city hopping, Alta can handle multiple cities and climates on a single trip. So Alta will tell you what is missing from your closet, shopping recommendations, eyeing a new piece, add it to your Alta wishlist, and Alta will notify when it goes on sale, virtual trying on, and then there's a web app. So super advanced virtual AI closet app. I think right now this is one of the best AI closet apps. I also did overviews of Jansmo and like Wearing. These are like two biggest competitors, but I think they're a bit lower in the charts. So Alta is right now in the top race. So this is how it looks like, super nice and clean design. So for example, you have like these different topics. Like for example, you're like engineer and you go into work, and this is like for code review. Why electron modernize the playful sweater? Have talk to so here is you can see the details. And by the way, when you're setting up this app, I made another video about it. Like you just entering your brands, your price range, your styles, where you want to go, and then this app uses AI to generate it. So here I'm on the more expensive side, as you can see. This is just an idea of what you can get, and then yeah, you're just getting it here, and then for example, you can just use it like that, and then get it in here. Then there is dinner, then there is market, so all kinds of events in here. So yeah, so it's just what you can get in here, and yeah, pretty cool. And then it just generates all of these outfits for you. So and then you can just tap to restyle, and then you can select this, continue, and then you just enter the prompt to restyle these items. I really like this super nice and easy design. Then there is also inspiration, where you just kind of swipe through all of these photos. I don't know whether this is AI generated or not. So for example, you can just bookmark it. You can see items in this, and then you can just add them. And then also you can just upload your avatar and create your AI avatar with this app, which is quite cool. And this way you're just kind of generating it. And then there is your closet. Then there is basics, and all of it. So you can just add it yourself. So add to closet, basically there are three ways you can add these photos. So just take a photo of items you already own, and Alta will prettify the photos, remove the backgrounds. You can then search items or past links. So for example, you added that you like Gucci, and then you just enter it here, and then they will you add it like that. So that's just what you have. And then you can also add other items, what happened in here. And yeah, add to closet, or you can just forward a receipt. So you can just, for example, you bought some item, you just forward a receipt, you just forward it to the app, and yeah, this way it will automatically recognize and add the item. So another pretty cool feature. I haven't found this feature in other apps like that. And then there is like a lookbook, where you can just add a lookbook. So office vibe, whatever, and then just create lookbook, and then add the look with the photo. Select from closet, from saved looks, so you just add it yourself. So that's basically the idea in here. And then in the middle there is like a chat button where you can just chat with it. You can just how I wanna to look today or something like that. And then you have style preferences. You can see what you prefer, what is this like, and then you just save all of this in the app. You can select different brands you like. You can select different budget, and that's the app. So super nice and intuitive, minimalistic way. And then you can plan trips. You can plan outfits for every day, and then also depending on the weather. As you can see, this app syncs with the weather and just gets it depending on the weather. So yeah, that's basically the idea of the app. There is also like invite codes. Feel free to use my invite code in here. And that's basically the idea. So quite cool. Try it out. Definitely, I would recommend you to try it out. I think this is the best app right now in terms of AI outfits and AI closets and all of that. So that's what it is. Yeah, and I also tried some other apps like Jansmo. You can look on my channel. Yeah, they're also quite good, but I think again, Alta Daily so far is the best technology, like, and the best design which you have right now. Wherein app is also quite good and quite loved, but I still think like there is something missing, and the technology is not there yet. It's not there where I can just trust it completely to create my closet for every day. And possibly you need to be like a style junkie to plan your everyday outfits via this app. Maybe you can do this just to get some inspiration, some ideas for some special events or something, but I don't see it yet where I wanted to use it literally every day. I'm just not that kind of the person. Maybe some people will do it, but maybe yeah, it just will get really, really good where you can literally just scan all of your clothes in this app and forward all of your receipts automatically, and it will automatically create for you all of these outfits for every day, for every weather, for every occasion. And then it's become super simple. Right now, it's just the app, the concept, but it's gotten much better during the last year, and with AI models, it's really getting quite good where you can trust it and get some really nice recommendations or some style ideas and instantly shop for it. So yeah, so give it a try.